What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So once again we are here with an exclusive and stunning news from the South Korean giant for its future flagship. Yes, today in this video you are going to watch Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition introduction video and unboxing look from a reliable source. The last of the Mohicans, Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition in beautiful renders. With the unboxing, Samsung Galaxy Note 21 FE could be the latest in the Galaxy Note line. Published specifications and detailed renders of the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition exclusively on the network. Don't go anywhere. Please watch the full video content. For more than a month, conflicting information has been circulating on the network about whether we should still wait for the Galaxy Note series smartphones or whether Samsung has already safely buried the line. According to recent reports, the Galaxy Note 20 will not be the last in the lineup, and we may still see the Galaxy Note 20 Fan Edition. Meanwhile, the authoritative resource Let's Go Digital has published a new collection of details about the Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition, adding high-quality images with a colorful and romantic unboxing for Valentine's Day. The renders were created by Italian designer known as SHARE, who joined the Let's Go Digital team some time ago. According to the source, the fan model Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition really has a chance to exist and is likely to inherit a number of features of the new Galaxy S21, including the characteristic camera block on the back. Unlike the Galaxy S21 Ultra, here we will see a stylus in the kit, and a slot for it will remain in the case. The S Pen can be expected in the standard Note 20 version, not the Note 20 Ultra, with a latency of 26 ms rather than 9 ms. The smartphone will receive the latest One UI 3.1 shell with Android 11 operating system, but the hardware platform may remain last year Exynos 990 for the international market and Snapdragon 865 for the US market. Also noteworthy is a 6.5-inch screen, a battery with a capacity of 4100 mAh. Other phone specifications, features, price, and exact launch date of the smartphone are not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.